In this video, I will tell you how to delete or close your Credit Karma account. So first what you need to do is open the Credit Karma app, which you can install from either the Play Store or the App Store. Once the app is ready, log into your account. After logging in, your home screen will appear, and from there you need to tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner. Next, select the option Label Profile, which you will find listed just under Settings. Now you will be directed to a page showing your personal details such as your name, current address and contact preferences. Scroll all the way down on this page until you come across three different options: download my information, close my account and contact member support. Since the goal here is to remove your account, tap on close my account. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure about permanently deleting or closing your account. Simply choose yes, close my account, and that will complete the process. Thanks for watching.